Everyone is comparing AI tools completely wrong because these three systems are not competitors in the same category. One is a work assistant, one is an autonomous agent system, and one is an enterprise control layer for AI at scale. And if you misunderstand this, you'll pick the wrong tool entirely. Claude Cowork is designed for one thing: helping you work faster inside a controlled AI workspace. It behaves like a structured AI coworker, helps write, helps plan, helps organize tasks, but always stays inside a guided environment. It's not trying to run your systems. It's trying to assist your thinking inside a safe workspace. But once you move beyond assistance, you hit a different category entirely, where AI doesn't just help you work, it actually does the work for you. OpenClaw changes the model completely. Instead of an assistant, you get autonomous agents that execute tasks. It can break down goals into steps, run commands, connect tools like Slack, Discord, GitHub, operate continuously in the background. This is no longer AI helping you. This is AI acting on your behalf. But there's a trade-off. You are now responsible for how it behaves. And when you scale this into enterprise environments, things get even more serious, because autonomy without control doesn't scale safely. NVIDIA NemoClaw sits above OpenClaw as a governance and orchestration layer. It is not just about running agents, it is about controlling them at scale. It adds security policies, sandbox execution, enterprise compliance rules, GPU-level orchestration, controlled automation pipelines. So instead of agents doing anything, you get agents doing only what is allowed, safely and at scale. This is built for enterprise infrastructure teams, not individual users. So now the real question becomes, what are you actually trying to do? Because each system serves a completely different layer of AI work. Claude Cowork is the easiest to use. OpenClaw is the most flexible and autonomous, and NVIDIA NemoClaw is the most controlled and scalable. But the biggest mistake people make is trying to use the wrong one for the wrong job. Now, here's where everything becomes clear. Look at all three systems side by side. Start on the left, Claude Cowork. This is your work companion layer. It sits closest to you, helping you think, write, and organize inside a controlled workspace. It's not trying to take over tasks. It's trying to support your daily work. Now move to the center, OpenClaw. This is a different category entirely. This is where AI stops assisting and starts executing. You give it a goal, and it breaks it down into steps, connects tools, and runs actions automatically. This is your automation layer. Now look to the right, NVIDIA NemoClaw. This is not about doing tasks. This is about controlling how AI systems operate at scale. It governs agents, enforces safety rules, manages GPU workloads, and ensures everything runs inside enterprise boundaries. This is your control layer. So when you look across this table, it's not three tools competing. It's three layers of the same AI system: work layer, execution layer, control layer. If you are a professional, Claude Cowork keeps you productive. If you are a builder or developer, OpenClaw gives you full control. If you are an enterprise, NemoClaw is what makes scale safe. So the real question is simple. Where do you sit in this stack? If you want help doing your work, Claude Cowork fits. If you want systems that execute work, OpenClaw fits. And if you are building or running AI at scale, NVIDIA NemoClaw is the control layer you need. And the real shift happening right now is this. We are moving from AI assistants to AI agents, to AI-controlled infrastructure systems. Which one do you think will dominate in the next 2 years?